This is Kay. Kay is a laundry worker in a public hospital using folding machines like this. Kay is a low technology worker, which means that the digital literacy required to undertake her role is minimal. It's repetitive and it's learned on the job. This is very different to the digital literacy that Kay needs to do her safety training, which is on a computer and yearly and complex. I work at the same public hospital as Kay. I'm the Learning and Development Coordinator. And in my role, I became so frustrated that workers in laundry, catering and cleaning were being disadvantaged by digital literacy. So I started a PhD research project to solve this very problem. Kay works in a laundry using a folding machine with a control panel. On, off, select the item to be folded. At home, she uses an iPad to pay her bills and surf the internet. Do people still say surfing the net? No keyboard and mouse on an iPad. Kay's yearly safety training is on a computer and she finds it really hard to do and understand because she doesn't use a computer at work or at home. And this lack of understanding about safety training puts Kay at risk of accident and injury. But what can I do? Well, to understand digital literacy practice, we need to understand learning at work. And to do that, we need to talk with the disadvantaged workers themselves, workers like Kay. But what makes my research unique is that instead of taking a top-down approach, I've designed a research project around the workers themselves to understand their learning journey. And in a multi-site workplace study across 2 public hospitals in regional Victoria, I will first survey 300 plus workers in catering, laundry and cleaning services. I'll then become a worker in 4 of those departments to learn how they learn through participant observation. I finish with semi-structured interviews to clarify, expand and further explore the idea of learning in low technology roles. Why? To improve understanding and help organisations improve the way that they design, develop and implement safety training to make people safe at work. Improving comprehension of safety training and therefore safety at work. Because we know that hospitals can't exist without workers like Kay. If they become injured, we have no clean linen, and that means no clean beds for patients.